S4 Workwear Vietnam was founded in 2007 as a 100% German-owned garment manufacturing company in Vietnam. We provide our customers an end-to-end solution for the highest quality workwear, mainly for the European market. We understand the needs from our customers and offer high-quality garments, according to European standards, combined with valuable prices with our own production facility in Vietnam. Our range of our products includes industrial workwear, outdoor workwear, safety workwear and customized workwear according to your need. We can provide design, manufacture, supply and delivery, all in one hand. As we are a middle-sized company, we can provide special services to our customers, flexible according to their needs. For us, our social responsibility is very important. That is why we are certified according to SA 8000:2014, to ensure that our employees and the employees from our suppliers are working in good conditions. S4 Fashion Partner Vietnam Company, Ltd., was founded in 2007 as a 100% foreign-owned garment manufacturing company in Vietnam. S4 Fashion Partner Vietnam has steadily improved itself as a reliable production facility, mainly for the products as high-quality workwear, sportswear jackets and pants, khaki. Our mission: to provide our customers the best service and the best quality to grow their business by offering customized, full-range quality products at competitive prices, environmentally and socially correct products and behavior, continuous improvement within total quality, customized logistics services, on-time delivery and high level of customer services.